Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and the 34 video trading course. So, anyways, on the dollar yen, I do see two possibilities. Possibility number one is this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will likely go down and take out the low of wave 4. Possibility number two is this is an ABC, which will probably look something like this before it continues up. Notice that either scenario has impulsive, corrective, and impulsive. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely think this move down ending right here is either a wave A or a wave 1. I think right now we're in a crescent to this wave A, which is either a wave B or a wave 2. Trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave B and a wave 2, which is looking for longs on shorter time frames, which is why I don't care whether it's a wave B or wave 2 because it's exactly the same trading strategy. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think the wave A ends over here. I think this push up is a wave A. I think this is 3 waves down for a wave B. I think it's making an expanding flat because the wave B is a lower low. So I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the target for an expanding flat is normally the 178, 161.8, or 278, 261.8. So that's why I'm definitely still very bullish. I think this is either going up for an ABC of B or an ABC of 2, which is likely an expanding flat. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, price is drifting up slowly. It hasn't made a new high yet, so I can't move my structure up to here yet. Once it does go up and make a new higher, then I would move my structure level to here, which means that if it went down and broke that structure, then I would stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts. As of right now, my structure is actually still right here because this is still not made a new high. If it goes down and breaks structure, yeah, I'll look for shorts. Otherwise, I am doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see ever since we had that break of structure way back here. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm definitely looking for longs right now. This has been a pretty slow market, but if you saw my video a couple days ago, I said that I would put a trend line probably across here, and I would wait for a breakout, and I'd wait for a pullback, maybe even a retest to go long. And if you had done that, you probably would be in some pretty nice profit right now. Now, like I said, I would expect it to keep going up because of what I see on the very high time frame. So I'm definitely still looking for longs, and I'm only looking to go long on pullbacks until my higher roadmap time frames tell me that this wave B or wave 2 is complete. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.